Your windows play a vital role in your Kendall home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. Over time, even the best windows can show signs of wear and may no longer perform as they should. Whether you're dealing with higher energy bills, outdated designs, or drafts, recognizing the signs that it's time to replace or install new windows can make a big difference in your home's value and livability. Here are the key signs that it might be time to upgrade your windows in Kendall. Rising energy bills. If your energy bills have been steadily increasing, your windows could be to blame. Older or poorly sealed windows allow heat to transfer easily, causing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. How windows affect energy efficiency. Heat transfer. Outdated single-pane or uninsulated windows do little to block the heat in Kendall's warm climate. Drafts and air leaks. Leaks around the window frames let cool air escape and warm air enter, reducing efficiency. Condensation issues. Fogging or condensation between double-pane windows indicates a broken seal, which compromises insulation. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows with features like low-E coatings and insulated glass can help lower your energy bills and keep your home comfortable. Difficulty operating windows. Windows should open and close smoothly, providing ventilation and security when needed. If your windows are hard to operate or won't stay open, it's a clear sign of wear and tear. Common operational issues. Sticking or jamming. Warped frames or damaged tracks can make windows difficult to open or close. Broken hardware. Locks, hinges, or handles may become loose or corroded, reducing functionality and security. Balance issues. Double-hung windows that won't stay open may have damaged springs or counterbalances. New windows ensure smooth operation and restore ease of use. Visible damage or deterioration. Clear signs of physical damage often indicate that your windows need replacing. The humid climate in Kendall can exacerbate wear, especially for older wood-framed windows. Signs of damage include rotting frames. Wooden frames are particularly vulnerable to moisture, leading to rot and decay. Cracked or broken glass. Damaged panes not only reduce energy efficiency but also pose safety risks. Peeling paint or warping. These are signs of prolonged exposure to moisture or intense heat. Replacing damaged windows enhances both the safety and appearance of your home. Drafts and air leaks. Feeling a draft near your windows, even when they're closed, is a clear indication that they're no longer sealing properly. This can significantly impact your home's comfort and energy efficiency. How drafts affect your home. Temperature fluctuations. Drafts create uneven indoor temperatures, making some rooms too warm or too cool. Increased humidity. Air leaks can let in humid air, contributing to moisture buildup and potential mold growth. Higher energy costs. Poorly sealed windows force your HVAC system to work harder, driving up utility bills. Modern, energy-efficient windows with advanced weather stripping and tight seals eliminate drafts and improve indoor comfort. Noise from outside. If you're constantly hearing outside noise, your windows may lack the insulation needed to block sound effectively. This is especially important in a bustling area like Kendall, where traffic and neighborhood activity can be disruptive. Solutions for noise reduction. Double or triple pane glass. These windows significantly reduce outside noise compared to single pane alternatives. Gas-filled insulation. Inert gases like argon or krypton between panes enhance soundproofing. Modern frame materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames offer better acoustic insulation. Installing new windows can create a quieter, more serene indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Old, outdated windows can detract from your home's curb appeal and make the interior feel dated. Replacing them with modern designs can dramatically enhance the look and value of your home. Signs of outdated windows. Mismatch with renovations. If you've updated other parts of your home, old windows may no longer match the aesthetic. Faded or worn frames. Discolored or peeling frames can make your home look neglected. Obstructed views. Older designs often have thick frames or divided panes that limit natural light and visibility. New windows with sleek designs and larger glass panes offer a fresh, modern look. Preparation for storm season. In Kendall, hurricane preparation is a top priority. If your windows are not impact resistant or lack storm protection, it's time to consider an upgrade. Storm-ready features to look for. Impact-resistant glass. Designed to withstand flying debris and high winds, offering year-round protection. Durable frames. Materials like aluminum or fiberglass provide additional strength. Hurricane-rated certification. Ensure your windows meet local building codes for storm safety. Replacing your windows with hurricane-ready options increases both safety and peace of mind during storm season. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs that it's time to replace or install new windows in your Kendall home can save you money, improve comfort, and enhance your property's value. Whether it's rising energy costs, visible damage, or the need for better storm protection, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows is a smart investment. For expert advice and professional installation, contact a trusted window provider in Kendall today. With high-quality products and expert guidance, you can enjoy beautiful, efficient windows that enhance your home's comfort and performance for years to come.